These are the main events for the 22nd of May. From historic diplomatic visits and groundbreaking musical premieres to political shifts and natural disasters, this date has shaped our world in profound ways. Let's explore the history that unfolded on this day across the centuries. Major events. In 1874, the San Marco Church in Milan hosted the world premiere of Giuseppe Verdi's Requiem. The performance was a grand tribute, commemorating the first anniversary of the death of the famous Italian writer Alessandro Manzoni. By 1947, the geopolitical landscape shifted as the United States Congress formally approved the Truman Doctrine. This landmark policy committed American support to Greece and Turkey, aiming to prevent the spread of communism during the early Cold War. In 1972, Richard Nixon made a historic journey to Moscow, becoming the first American president to visit the Soviet capital. During the trip, he met with Soviet leader Leonid Brezhnev and signed a pact to freeze nuclear arsenals at their current levels. In 2014, Thailand faced a major turning point when General Prayut Chan-o-cha launched a coup d'état. Following 6 months of severe political crisis, the commander-in-chief of the Royal Thai Army took control and ousted the caretaker government. Minor events. Centuries earlier, in 1766, a massive magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck the city of Constantinople. The powerful tremors were followed by a destructive tsunami, which resulted in significant and widespread damage across the entire region. In 1998, Singapore's legal history was made in the case of Public Prosecutor versus Tao Cheng Kong. The Court of Appeal overruled a previous decision, marking the only instance where a statute was ruled unconstitutional in Singapore's history. From the corridors of power to the heights of musical expression, May 22nd has seen some of history's most pivotal moments. These events continue to resonate through our laws, culture, and international relations today. Thank you for joining us.